Hi, this is Mark with MichiganBiochar. I thought we'd just take a quick video to show you some of the things that's going on here at the farm. Today what I want to do is talk about this whole new garden area. We've got this all tilled up early this spring, and we're going to show you some of the many different programs we have going on. But to show you the challenge we're working with the sandy soil, come on over here and take a look at what we're up against. We have about every kind of weed grown in here, milkweeds, ragweeds. If I walk inside of this, you can see I'm just engulfed in weeds. The ground is really screaming that it needs carbon, it needs nutrients, and so what we're going to do is work on it diligently this year to show you what we can do with it. So with that, I want to show you just a couple experiments again that we're working on for this year. The second one I want to show you is these piles of biochar we have located out here in this immediate garden area we're going to use as our focal point this year. And we have more to tell you about that as this year progresses. It's going to be very interesting. Over here we have two studies going on at the same time. Today is July 15th. And on June 14th, a month and a day ago, we planted a little experiment right here with the corn and further back with some sunflower seeds. And we want to show you the progress we're making. It's truly exciting to see the results. So in this plot, I want to show you the corn plot that has a biochar compost combination. And when you look at the corn stalk height, you can see it comes up right about, on average, up to my pants, but generally knee height. And so you can see this corn is doing quite well. I know most parts of the country, knee high by the 4th of July is great. We had a tough summer this year, and yes, I think we broke ankle high 4th of July. So here's our biochar plot here. And what I want to do on the other side of this aisle is show you the corn that was planted with some compost. And matter of fact, our study showed that we have an average of a 6.8 pH for this whole area. So we did hit it pretty good with compost late last year. But as you get in this corn that does not have biochar in it, you can see it's nowhere near as tall as the other biochar. So I'm supposing we're seeing at this point, 1 month into this, the biochar plot is probably running 20 to 30% better, I guess is a good way of saying it, than the corn that does not have the biochar in it. Over here, further down, we are showing the same comparison with sunflowers. These sunflowers right here are on average, I would say 14, 15 inches in height. This plot over here, same sunflowers, but no biochar applied. And you can see the plants are about half the height. So everything's moving along on schedule, and we're anticipating probably in about another 4 or 5 weeks we'll have a new video for you, and we think that the results will continue to grow in the favor of biochar, and we'll let the experiments show for themselves. We do have a couple more really exciting videos coming up later this year. You certainly don't want to miss those. One is going to be my deer hunting plot, and we'll go bow hunting and do some rifle hunting, and we'll see how the deer react to our feed plots that's had biochar added to them, because there are many different uses for biochar, and we're excited to use the beautiful seasons up here in Michigan to show you all the different ways that biochar can be used. We look forward to talking to you soon.